Prabhu, how do we minimize a sense of doership in our day-to-day work life?
How do we
Minimize sense of doership.
sense of doership?
Yeah, in our day-to-day work life.
How do we minimize the sense of doership in day-to-day life? Is actually one, while doing, one should be able to see that he is not the doer, or to what extent he is the doer spiritually. You see, we are also having a role. We are one of the factors in achieving everything. Now, doership, blind ignorance means I am the only doer. I am the only factor in achieving this. Now, when the person, after hearing Bhagavad Gita, after seeing Krishna's point of view, he starts seeing how things happen in this material world. When somebody does something, how does the accomplishment of that action happen? He sees all the 5 factors of accomplishment of action. While the action is going on, he is able to see. Then if you are able to see, then you know you are not the doer. Simple. While doing, you should be able to see. That's the best way. Of course, philosophically, you actually saw that because you are in bodily concept, your hand did, your leg did, you are actually able to see that I did. But because philosophy says you are not the doer, somebody tells, hey, you did well. No, I am not the doer, you say. But your subconscious, you know you did it. Why? Because you think you are the body. Only for sake of philosophy, I am supposed to say I am not the doer. But actually I know with my hand I did it. I went, I spoke, I got the money, I am the doer. How can I say I am not the doer? But the problem here is that while doing, you are all in illusion. You think that your body was yours, your talking was yours, that intelligence was yours. How that intelligence came, how the body works, etc., 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 is we have to understand through Shravanam, by hearing, by perception. It becomes realization. So slowly, one can realistically see that he is not the doer. He is, especially in the material world, everything is matter, and we are spirit. We can't move an inch of spirit. Matter is different, spirit is different. How can this spirit move matter? Cannot. Therefore, Paramatma stands between us and matter. When you desire to raise the hand, he raises the hand. So actually, he Mayadakshena prakriti suyate chacharacharam. Under my direction, the material energy is working. We cannot direct even the material energy. So simply we are identifying ourselves as a doer. Krishna is making everything happen. 3 modes of material nature, prakrite kriyamanani, gunai karmani sarvasha, ahankara vimudatma kartaham iti manyate. Prakriti is doing, and that Prakriti also you are not directing. Paramatma is directing. So Prakriti is doing everything, Paramatma is directing, and we are identifying as doer, as enjoyer, etc., etc. So that is something that one has to read Krishna's instruction, understand. It's very analytical, very scientific. But with common sense also. If one simply thinks that I am so tiny, even to achieve one thing in this material world, so many factors come into play. I couldn't have brought that result into picture. So many factors. I just did my duty. Even let's say the person is in bodily concept. Common sense intelligence says, yeah, simple and a humble man knows. He thinks, where did this idea come from? I didn't generate. The idea came, but where did it come from? Turn right, turn left. Where is it generating from? I should know the source of generation. No, it's just generated. Because it is coming within me, I don't question it.